Tsutomu Yamaguchi, the only man in history to survive both atomic bombings in 1945. August 6, 1945. Yamaguchi was in Hiroshima for a business trip, just 3 kilometers away from ground zero when the bomb exploded. The blast ruptured his eardrums, temporarily blinded him, and left his body covered in burns, but he survived. Despite his injuries, he boarded a train back home to Nagasaki. 3 days later, on August 9, 1945, as he was explaining the Hiroshima bombing to his boss, the second atomic bomb exploded. And once again, Yamaguchi was just 3 kilometers away from the blast. His workplace protected him from the worst of the explosion, but he suffered even more injuries. Despite deadly radiation exposure, Yamaguchi lived until 2010, passing away at 93 years old. He remains the only officially recognized person to survive both atomic bombings. What do you think of this incredible survival story? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing history facts.